In 2017, the Ministry of Education, together with MDEC, launched the Premier Digital Technology Institutions Initiative. Our intention was to address the huge demand for industry-ready computer science graduates. The Premier Digital Tech model has proven to deliver high impact for students and talent supply for the industry.
The Premier Digital Tech Institutions Initiatives helps to fulfill the talent needs of industries in the digital economy.
Well, the best part about Premier Digital Tech Institutions is how it makes changes at not just the state, but also the local and school levels, propelling our students to be top competitors.
I think the Premier Digital Tech Initiative is a great initiative by MDEC because it helps universities improve their curriculum for the future.
Yes, I do encourage because under the PDTI, what they offer is not only about the academic program, but the experience.
Being a part of this initiative, I feel grateful that MDEC has recognized us, and this is aligned to our mission that giving back to the community and the students.
I would really encourage students to be part of the Premium Digital Tech Institutions because that will make you exposed and be able to learn the latest skill and technologies in the fourth industrial revolutions as well as digital economy.
To students out there who are dreaming about a lucrative and exciting career in the world of digital technologies, the Premier Digital Tech Institutions will offer you a fun, collaborative and hands-on tertiary education to put you on the path to this exciting future ahead.
If you want to engage high-quality digital tech talents, then look no further than the Premier Digital Tech Universities and Polytechnics.